It's July 12th, 5 o'clock in the evening, and it's raining. Yay! So this is the part that failed, and I am going to do a tear down on the part to see what actually failed. I think the carbon brush failed. It's not a brushless motor, so I think it's a carbon brush. It's raining. This will save me some diesel. So this is the part. Looks easy to take apart. So this is a brush type motor, and as I suspected it to be, the brush basically is worn out. So at 60,000 clicks, the brush is actually worn out. The spring can no longer push it to make contact with the conductor. So I'm not surprised that it would fail. Actually, I did power it up, and it was turning on intermittently. So I thought, So basically, you don't actually deal in years, but more on usage. So between 50,000 to 60,000 clicks, this thing has reached the end of its life. The brush, that is. The motor is still good. Actually, if I could replace the brush, oh no, so complicated, because that is connected to the brush. If I have a way to service this, you can actually rebuild these. I mean, the only thing you're replacing is the brush, but then this thing here with the inductor, I don't know. I don't know if you can rebuild it, but certainly you can change the brush if you could. The spring can no longer push it toward the conductor here, so it's making intermittent contact. Using a finer probe, you can actually see. Well, it's harder. There. See that? Like that's maximum travel. That's it. So depending on the usage of the vehicle, if you have reached 60,000 clicks and red icon thermometer on the dash and blue icons are flashing, then this is the problem. The fan motor needs to be replaced, and it's because the brush is worn out, where the spring can no longer push it to the conductor here. So yeah, my curiosity is fulfilled. Now I know why the motor fan failed. It's just wear and tear. So I disassembled the part and look at the underside. It appears that you could actually refurbish this if you can find the parts. Inductor, there's two inductor or chokes, and these are clips, so you can remove the clips and get out the brush. So the reason why it was intermittent is that these four actually reach maximum travel. I thought the spring got weaker, but as you can see, all four have reached maximum travel. It doesn't come out. There's a stopper there. So came to the conclusion that it depends on the usage of the vehicle. 50 to 60,000 clicks usage. If you use it and it's 3 years, you get to that point, then yeah, this thing will fail. For us, we got to 5 years and the fan failed because these have reached maximum travel.